You are now exploring a parallel universe, the universe that exists within your math textbook. The inspiration for this video comes from this corner of Reddit, for which I am quite grateful, who opened a math textbook and saw this problem. Penguin huddling. To withstand the harsh winter of the Antarctic, emperor penguins huddle in groups, see figure 18-50. Assume that a penguin is a circular cylinder. A what? This is insulting to penguins everywhere. Oh, look, it's a penguin, said no penguin ever. Okay, let's be charitable. Maybe they're toilet paper roll penguins. This isn't helping. Oh, come on, they're cute. Let's talk about something different, shall we? Our friends at K5 Learning are going to take us to a store from a different universe. What are these prices? Someone make it make sense. $2.78 for a pencil, $1.15 random cents for this folder, and $4.44 for this box of crayons that will not sell in Japan? These prices, they don't make sense from a pre-tax or a post-tax standpoint. They're just kind of weird. Speaking of weird, consider this question from Quora. A cube's surface area increases at a rate of 96 inches squared per second. That's an intro to many problems in first-year calculus, and I feel like I'm the only person who has thought, why on earth is this cube growing in the first place? I personally find this a little disturbing. This doesn't just happen. I have questions. What makes a cube grow? When does the cube stop growing? Does the cube stop growing? Why does no one seem fazed by this? It grew! So you mean to tell me that a cube could, in theory, grow for no reason? Grow without expending any energy, and grow indefinitely, and no one else cares about this? Ah! What are these cubes hiding? Really? Perhaps my favorite region in the parallel universe of math problems is the area of unhinged systems of equations. You know, people like this guy who go to the store and know how much they spent but want to know how much of each item they got. Take this problem for example. Ms. Kitts works at a music store. Last week, she sold 6 more than 3 times the number of CDs that she sold this week. Ms. Kitts sold a total of 110 CDs over 2 weeks. Which system of equations can be used to find I, or L, whatever, the number of CDs she sold last week, and T, the number of CDs she sold this week? Well, riddle me this. How can you know this and not know this? Legit nonsense. Here's another problem so strange that I took a screenshot just to prove it really exists, but it's small and blurry so some of y'all cannot see it. Here it is in larger font. Diego goes to a fast food restaurant and orders some tacos and burritos. He sees on the nutrition menu that tacos are 200 calories and burritos are 580 calories. If he ordered 13 items and consumed a total of 5,260 calories, why is Diego eating 5,260 calories of fast food? The penguins are not having it. Now mind you, systems of equations problems being a little bit off is not a new thing. Consider this problem from 1885. Yes, Granny, you have seen this problem. A horse thief riding at 8 miles an hour has a 32-mile head start. The sheriff in pursuit is riding at 10 miles an hour. In how many hours will the thief be overtaken? Now, if you know anything about horses, something should stand out. Why are the horses trotting in a robbery? The speed of a horse trot is about 5 to 10 miles an hour. Both of the horses are going that speed. The speed of a horse gallop, which we would expect, would be 25 to 30 miles an hour. Now, of course, there is a 32-mile head start, and my AI overlords insist that a conditioned horse can gallop for 1.5 to 2 miles before needing a little bit of rest. But that does not fully explain what's going to happen when the horses are close in proximity. So you mean to tell me that this horse robber is going to see the sheriff trotting faster than his horse and proceed to trot at the same speed? Yeah, no. But indeed, that's how it's always been, in the parallel universe of math problems. Have you seen any really strange math problems? Drop one in the comments. And as always, be sure to subscribe, hit the like button, and all that good stuff. And do it quickly, or the penguins will judge you too.